All right, this is actually a really nice sounding acoustic guitar. Listen to this. So not only does it sound good, it does come with a bunch of different things. You get a guitar case, which is actually pretty nice and padded, and has backpack straps on it and spots pockets for like accessories. They also give you this bag of goodies where you have a strap, so you can use this strap on your guitar. It comes with a tuner and the battery, and so you could tune this thing up. Just attach this at the end of it and use that to tune. It does come with another spare set of strings, so you can change the strings out. And it comes with a capo, where you can capo up your sound if you want to play chords a little bit higher. It also comes with like a little cloth if you want to wipe it down, and it comes with this pick guard that you put on yourself. So it's like a sticker, and that way you know where you're going to be smashing your pick on the wood, so it doesn't mess up the guitar. You can just do it that way. So yeah, it sounds great. The neck is solid. So like, that's how you know is when you move up the neck with the capo, it stays in tune. And yeah, just, you're hearing it. This is what it sounds like. It's great. Nice and loud too. So if you're a beginner or even intermediate, just looking for a guitar, this one's great. It's got a cutaway on it, so you can even get up there, play a little bit higher if you need to. It even has some good action to it too, so if you're like, wanting to... Yeah, it sounds great. I mean, you're hearing it, so you can judge for yourself. But I'm a fan. So, highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.